Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we're going to be using some ChatGPT magic. Guys, I hope you're interested in seeing how ChatGPT has helped me in my own email marketing, in affiliate marketing. What I do, basically I focus on one skill set, which is email marketing in affiliate marketing. Okay? So selling my product or service, being an affiliate, but using email marketing as my driving source, and ChatGPT has been helping me a lot. But more than anything else, I'm going to share with you also, this is a my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT training. Okay, so I'm going to combine the two in order to make your life easier. Guys, we're in a world where so much is changing so quickly because of AI, artificial intelligence, and so on and so forth, that we can use this to our advantage and work smarter rather than work harder. So I'm going to share with you today as I go through the whole process myself, and I'm going to be sending an email out to my Legion Secrets emails, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that. So that's what you're going to get in this video. Stay tuned for more, and I'm going to share my screen in a second. Awesome, guys. So here I am on my screen, and I wanted to share with you literally what my Legion Secrets is in a very short amount of time so that I don't take too much of your time. I'm obviously documenting my journey along the way, and this is more of a training rather than proof. I will be shooting more proof videos. I have made sales with my Legion Secrets leads and so on and so forth, but that you can find in this playlist. By the way, guys, the playlist for this entire My Legion Secrets training and proof and everything else is in the description of this video, added to which I will be posting everything that you see in this video in the description. So if you want to get any links, etc., all of it, just scroll down and feel free to click and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet and hit that bell notification, then I suggest you do so as well, because I'm going to be coming out with more trainings like this. So comment, let me know, and I will be putting out more information for you guys. As I said, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave because I'm here to give you guys tips. And one of the tips that I personally focus on is email marketing. Now, I use my Legion Secrets combined with my funnel in order for me to generate leads and sales on a daily basis, so as often as possible. But this task takes consistency. It doesn't happen overnight. This is not a get rich quick mindset. This is a learn how to do copywriting mindset. Okay, it's how do you actually put in the skill sets for you to be able to convert those leads into sales. I do have some proof already. Let me share with you the proof in a second. Let me go to the Facebook group and show you that also everything works there. But just to give you guys an idea, this is some leads that have come from my Legion Secrets itself and sales that you can see right here. And people are sharing a lot of information. Here's a Warrior Plus sale that has happened. This person has made about $74.08 in his name is Georges, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, in the last 30 days. This is Jonathan, who's also made around almost $500 in a month in the last 30 days report on Warrior Plus, guys. So that's almost 500. There was one refund, so 480, so almost 500 there. Then if you scroll down, you can see some more information here. This is old, but yes, this is a new one. 100% people making $200 a month, etc. These are my results itself. I've made around 3 sales here, and I'm sharing all of these secrets in this group and so on and so forth. But just to tell people that you need to really be consistent. Okay, as long as you're consistent with those sales, consistent with the process, these leads convert. The process that we're talking about here is email marketing. Okay, the skill set is email marketing. So how do you go about using my Legion Secrets to improve your skill sets of email marketing? Guys, I'm in affiliate marketing for the long term. I've had my successes, I've had my failures, but I'm keeping things really simple so that you understand it and sticking to the skills, because it converts, because it works. Okay, so let's go ahead and share with you. If you do want to check out my Legion Secrets, if you want to get it, just to let you know, this link is in the description of the video. You can join it. It costs $30 a month. I'm telling you that upfront, and it is a $30 one-time sign-up fee. I've already made, in my first month, I've already made 25, 25, 50, almost, yeah, I've already made $60 in this month in 18 days that I'm there. So it definitely converts and made my money back, and I don't mind paying $30 a month for traffic to be consistently sent, so leads to be consistently instantly send to a place for me to be able to send, right? So that's one thing I just wanted to make sure that you understand. It's all in the description. You can click, you can join, you can get started. I'm going to log into My Legion Secrets and show you how to write an email in My Legion Secrets. Let's go ahead. And what is my process? Okay, I'm going to log in. So this is my Legion Secrets. You can see I have 200 leads here, and you can see I've been getting decent amount of clicks every single day, guys. 48 here, 45. So my aim is to reach around 100 clicks every single day. That's personally my goal. So this is the mailing system. And as you get the leads, you can, basically copy them here. I have 2,700 leads. You can see right here. You put your subject in here, and then you put your entire text here. Now, usually, sometimes you might ask yourself David, what emails do you add? So I have a strategy which I'm following, which I'll share with you very openly. 5 days a week, I send to my affiliate offers. Okay. So 5 days a week, I send my these leads to an affiliate link. So they click and they would go to an affiliate link. And twice a week, so on a Saturday and a Sunday, I usually send My Legion Secrets leads. So the 100 leads that I get from here, I send the offer that I'm promoting is My Legion Secrets itself. So just during the weekend, I do this now. So today I'm going to show you how a free swipe that is there and change it up. Okay. So here, if you go to affiliates in My Legion Secrets, you'll see that you scroll down here and there are some swipes and some emails and something like that. Turns out I'm going to take this third email and see if I can make it better. That's just personally how it has some results that I don't want. So let's go ahead and try a different one. Yes. Have you lost that marketing feeling? Let's see this one right here. Disappointed, good news. Okay, let's copy this. Watch what I'm going to be doing, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh ChatGPT. ChatGPT, if you don't know, is just a free AI software. I have some extra plugins that are there, but it really doesn't matter. Even on the basic one, you can do this. Can you hear me, by the way, guys? I think you can. I hope you can, but let me just check. As I was saying, ChatGPT, this is something that I am using. Yeah, I'm using a plugin to help me with some other stuff, but you can use the basic version. That's fine. Just to give you guys an idea, I'm just going to say write an email with a good subject and captivating. No, you don't spell it that way. Content to captivating hooks to get people to click from this info. So I've sent that, as you can see right here. Okay, copy pasted, and now they're writing a normal email for me. Let's see how it is. Okay, dear recipient, you can change all this, but I'm using it as really to take my effort. Now this is a bit too long. This is literally a bit too long. Okay, so I'm gonna write here, you make it shorter. Okay, so it's now working itself and making it shorter for me. Perfect. I think this short is enough. Let's go ahead and copy this. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is I'm copying it directly from ChatGPT into My Legion Secrets. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to scroll down, copy all of this and paste. Now, I'm going to remove this link because I don't want this link here, honestly. And let's just focus on the subject. Now, the subject for me, the secret of making money is making serious money with your affiliate marketing business. I'm going to change this a little bit. Making serious money with your affiliate marketing business, ? And then, because I want them to open it, right? So that's my way of adding my human touch to it. And that's how I do it. Okay. So I'm going to add that there and then here. So hi, that's what I'm going to change. And then here you can see they have prefixes and stuff like that. I'm going to take first name because I'm sending it to My Legion Secrets itself, right? And I'm going to paste that there. So that's there. Remember the excitement when you got your first commission as affiliate marketer? Great. That's perfect as a line. It's what keeps us going when we get discouraged. And this is what I'm going to do, guys. Hopefully you see that I don't know whether it makes sense for you, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to put something really smaller and just kind of edit it a little bit. Okay, so this is what I'm literally doing. I'm putting spaces in between just so that the email becomes a bit easier. I click here to learn, change this and say, don't let your business die. Learn how to start making money with your serious marketing efforts. Okay. So let's do this with your serious marketing efforts and do this. And then here, I'm going to say, click here now. Best regards. This is cold market, guys. Okay, so this is how I'm doing it. Okay, if you don't like it, then And then lastly, I'm going to go and take my link. Now I'm going to show you my link so that you see it properly. This is a link that I have for the same page that you see in the description. But at the end of this link, see the difference between this link and this link is that I have this right here. So I can either go to affiliates here. Let me open a new tab so you see it and take the link from from here. So I'm using the sizzle page. But what I've done is at the end of this ID number, I've added a code, that tracking code, basically a source tracking code that allows me to track when I make a sale from my Legion Secrets. Basically, how does the commission look? For example, I got a commission the other day, and if you see downline here and I click, and you can see that it says source MLGS. And if you want to know how to do this, guys, all you need to do is click on source and it teaches you how you can track it. Okay, so I'm going to have another video regarding this. I'm just showing you that I'm using this link. This is my link that I'm using. I'm going to copy it, go here, and go to where I wrote click here now. I'm going to bold it and I'm going to add the link, hyperlink it. And then I'm going to change the color to red because I think it's better and it takes this whole size. We're going to change to 16 or 18. Let's do 18. Okay. And before I send it, remember we put the subject, we have everything. I have to select the amount of leads. So 2,700 leads are getting this. And I'm going to click, and let me move my face. I'm going to click preview here, and you can see that it now has a preview of my entire email. And if I click here, basically, it will take me to this page right here. Great. So that's what I'm doing on the weekends, and during the week, I'm sending it to Warrior Plus products. But the process is exactly the same on how I write it. You saw how I've saved time by just using ChatGPT and not writing these emails all by myself. Okay. Now, obviously, you can use the same scripts and everything else, but utilize these tools for your benefit. Hopefully, that makes sense. I want to document it at least for you guys. I'm going to select on perfect timing because that will basically, and you can see right here, they will send it at the optimum delivery time, an hour of the day for that person, because the partners know their emails the best and they know when they're going to get the most clicks, which is what you want in order for you to actually make those conversions, right? So that's what I'm doing simply. And then I send an email out and that's it, guys. Done. I'm done for the day. It takes 5 minutes to do this. Okay. Once the email is sent, you'll see it right now. And it says that it's in the queue and you should see it in your statistics page in a few moments. If I go to my statistics page, you can see right here, today, 26th of March, 2,700 emails have been sent out, and then I can track everything here. Okay, so let's see how this converts. I will give you guys more updates, but I just wanted to make this video how to use ChatGPT in your email marketing business, specifically ChatGPT with My Legion Secrets. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for future videos. I want to educate you guys more than anything else, but at the same time, if you follow these strategies, definitely you're going to see some kind of change. Firstly, in your skill set as an email marketer. Secondly, you understand your audience most. Okay, that generates the conversions. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.